everybody. I'm Mr. Mo. I'm an instructor with Panda Programmer, which is a program that teaches coding and robotics to students after school. I'm going to be here to show you how easy it is to create your very own game through coding. But before we get started, let's talk about what a computer is. This is a computer. This is also a computer. Now, what are these things? These are just hunks of material. They don't know what to do. They don't have any feelings. They need to be told what to do through coding. Now that we're all on the same page, let's get started.
To make my game, I'm going to be using Scratch. Now, this game that I'm going to make is going to be about space. So to get started, first we're going to get rid of Scratch Cat because we don't need him in there right now. So get rid of him and then click choose a new sprite. Now I want my project to be, like I said, about space. So I'm going to search up space in the search bar and I'm going to pick Dot the dog to be in my game. So then we need to pick a setting. Gonna type in space in here again, and perfect. That's a great background for my game. Now this is just a picture right now. There's nothing going on because nobody's been told what to do yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and code Dot the dog to tell him what he needs to do. So first I'm gonna say when the green flag is clicked, when I click that flag over there, something is gonna happen. So I'm gonna go to motion and I'm gonna say to Dot the dog, Dot, I want you to point towards the mouse pointer, and I want you to do that forever. So let's see what that looks like. Perfect, but this is not enough. I want Dot to not only point towards my mouse pointer, but also move while it's pointing. So it actually looks like it's following my mouse pointer wherever I move it along the screen. Okay, perfect. Now let's pick a ball for Dot the dog to play with while he's in space. So I'm going to search in ball here. Perfect, a tennis ball. Now, right now this ball is not moving at all. So let's make this ball move around. Same thing, when green flag is clicked, I want this ball to go to a random position forever. So let's see what that looks like. Push the green flag here. Oh my goodness, I do not think Dot is going to be able to play with that. So let's slow that down a little bit with wait a certain amount of seconds. Let's make it half a second, 0.5 seconds. Perfect, that's much better, and I think Dot is going to be able to have a good time playing with that ball. But I want to make Dot and my ball interact with each other, so I'm going to go back to Dot the dog, and I'm going to say when green flag is clicked, I want Dot to say if he is touching the tennis ball, then I want Dot to, let's say, let's make him change color a little bit. So change color effect by 25, and also say woof. So every time it touches the ball, it's going to say woof and change color. But this is not complete. This is saying when I push my green flag, do this only once, but I want this to happen all the time throughout my game at any point. So I'm going to go back to control and I'm going to put a forever loop around that if condition. So now let's see our final product. Going to chase the ball, going to chase the ball. Oh, this is kind of hard. Oh, there we go. So now every time Dot the dog touches my ball, he's going to say woof and change color a little bit. Now, no matter what grade you're in or what your experience is with coding, you can learn how to make a game just like this and even better with practice. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.